Yamuna River, the Taj Mahal is more than a monument, it's a timeless symbol of love. In 1631, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan lost his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal during childbirth. Heartbroken, he vowed to build a memorial unlike anything the world had seen. Over 20,000 artisans, sculptors, and calligraphers worked for more than 20 years. Marble came from Rajasthan, jade from China, turquoise from Tibet, and lapis from Afghanistan. The Taj's perfect symmetry, its changing colors with sunlight, and its delicate pietra dura inlay make it one of the greatest architectural masterpieces in history. At the heart of the mausoleum lie the cenotaphs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, resting side by side, symbolizing an eternal union. Nearly 4 centuries later, the Taj Mahal remains a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a reminder that love can shape even the stones of history.